How to pay Tesla monthly payment on apps. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to pay monthly. In order to pay Tesla monthly payment on the app, you just have to follow the simple steps. First thing first, open up your application and then log in using your credential. Once logged in, click the profile from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Next thing you want to do is click on accounts underneath. As you do it so, you'll be taken to this page where you could see wallet options. Click on it. Now you'll be asked whether you want to add a credit card or a bank account. Now select whichever method is convenient for you and then enter in the details, all of that. And once you've actually done it so, it might take a couple of hours or maybe a day for that card to be linked to your Tesla account. So once it is linked, then you can make a payment using your Tesla app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.